Hello, ndewo no. My name is Tutor Chinwe. I'm a 31-year-old female living in a beautiful country, Nigeria. My first language is Igbo language and my second language is English language. I have BSc in education and this means I'm certified to teach. In my spare time, I love to read. I love to research. I love dancing too. And I love meeting new people. And I also love teaching. At the moment, I teach Igbo language. I've helped lots of students, both kids and adults, learn how to read in Igbo, how to write in Igbo, and how to speak Igbo language fluently. I'm a very empathetic, passionate person, and I have a childlike character, and this helps in my teaching because it makes my classroom a very fun classroom where learning is not a frustration, but a fun activity. So we have fun learning Igbo together, and it makes this language an easy thing to learn. So if you're looking for where you will learn Igbo language, how to read it, how to write, and how to speak it fluently, and you're looking for a fun, easy class, why not book a class and let's learn Igbo together while having fun? So I can't wait to meet you and know your goals. So come on, let's learn Igbo together. Till then, Cody, bye-bye.